Welcome back to The Gadget Corner, where we explore the latest and greatest tech to make your life easier and more secure. Today, we have a game changer that will turn your home into an impenetrable fortress. Say hello to the Ring Chime Pro. If you're looking for the ultimate home security solution, you've come to the right place. The Ring Chime Pro is not only one of the best-selling products on Amazon, but it's also a 3-in-1 wonder. Let me walk you through the amazing features that make this gadget an absolute must-have for any smart home. Feature 1. Extend your Wi-Fi signal. Are you tired of those annoying Wi-Fi dead zones around your property? Leaving your Ring cameras and doorbells disconnected and ineffective? Well, worry no more. The Ring Chime Pro acts as a powerful Wi-Fi extender, expanding your network coverage up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. That's right. Now you can maintain a stable connection for all your Ring devices, no matter how far they are from your router. No more missed alerts or frustrating delays in receiving important notifications. Feature 2. Real-time notifications. We all crave that peace of mind knowing that our home is well protected. And that's exactly what the Ring Chime Pro delivers. This fantastic device acts as a chime box, alerting you with real-time notifications whenever your Ring cameras and doorbells detect motion or when someone rings your doorbell. You'll never have to worry about missing a crucial moment again. With the Ring Chime Pro, you're always in the loop, no matter where you are. Feature 3. Easy setup and built-in nightlight. Setting up the Ring Chime Pro is a breeze. Just plug it into a standard outlet, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and you're good to go. Within minutes, you'll be ready to enjoy enhanced security and convenience. And that's not all. The Ring Chime Pro comes with a thoughtful built-in nightlight feature. Imagine walking around your home at night, with a gentle guiding light illuminating your way. It's not only practical but also offers added peace of mind, creating a more secure environment for you and your family. Feature 4. Customizable chime tones and volume. We know that one size doesn't fit all, and Ring understands that too. The Chime Pro offers a variety of chime tones, so you can pick the one that suits your style and preferences. Additionally, you can easily adjust the volume to your ideal setting. Whether you want a subtle alert or a more attention-grabbing sound, the choice is yours. Feature 5. Convenient Ring app integration. Controlling your Ring Chime Pro is a breeze with the Ring app. From your smartphone, you can snooze alerts temporarily, adjust the nightlight settings, and customize chime tones and volumes. It's effortless and gives you complete control over your smart fortress. There you have it, folks. The Ring Chime Pro is the perfect addition to your smart home, offering a 3-in-1 solution to extend your Wi-Fi signal, deliver real-time notifications, and provide a built-in nightlight for added security. Plus, with customizable chime tones and easy app integration, you're in complete control. So, why wait? Strengthen your home's defense with the Ring Chime Pro now and enjoy the peace of mind you deserve. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to transform your home into a smart fortress. Ready to grab yours? Head over to the Amazon link in the video description or simply click the link below to purchase your Ring Chime Pro and support The Gadget Corner at the same time. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech reviews and promotions. Until next time, this is The Gadget Corner, signing off.